like some pears, Maverick?
No. I don't want them.
You don't want any pears?
It's
Brother
not
likes them.
that. It's not that.
Brother Loki likes them.
Lucky am. They're lucky.